Francois, can you tell me what you see now on your computer live?
Of course.
We're trying something new. I think it's going to be better for our randoms. Alright, so, you see it, huh?
Well, what you see right now is random.org.
Yeah, perfect. Alright, so we're live with break 2548. That's how we're going to do those randoms for now. We'll see if it's easier for us and better for you guys. Okay, so I'm live. I've got the same list here on Excel. 30 names. Pat Lajeunesse is first. Pat is last. By the way, guys, we're going to wish Patrick Lajeunesse
Prompt rétablissement.
prompt rétablissement, yep, because he had big surgery. All right, so 30 teams, 3
Il
randoms.
fait fort. Faut voir, il va se remettre sur pied assez vite.
He's a tough guy, but still, he had something big. So 3 randoms, 30 teams. First, second, and last. That's our list. On top, Anaheim. Last is Arizona. Copying this on Excel. So if you guys like our break this way, if you like them better this way, just tell us. We're going to continue to do it this way. So, Pat, you've got Anaheim, Vancouver, Chicago. Peter, Dallas, Buffalo, Montreal. Jean-François, Calgary, Pittsburgh, Flyers. Mike, Winnipeg, Edmonton, Ottawa. Jonathan, LA, Carolina, Boston. Joan, Luca, Nashville, Tampa Bay, San Jose. Andrew, Toronto, St. Louis, Detroit. Sylvain, Rangers, Colorado, Devils, Islanders, Wild, Washington. And Pat, Columbus, Florida, and Arizona. So I'll copy paste that on Facebook. That's my Facebook, guys. So, all right, so that is there. So now what I'm gonna do is go live on our camera. I think everything's fine. All right, so let's break. That's perfect. By the way, I'm gonna do these giveaway at the end of the break. Those 2 Young Gun Canvas 9.5. Where's my knife? Francois? Did you touch it? There it is. Alright, so starting with series 2. There we go. Good luck, everybody. First bet look like ease. Smash. We'll see. Alright, so we are starting with a young gun for Buffalo. Nick Baptiste. I don't think it's a good guy. Next, we've got a canvas for the New Jersey Devils, Taylor Hall. Third pack, a retro for Buffalo, Kyle Okposo. Next, portraits for the New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Young gun for Columbus, Marcus Nutrovera. Next, the rookie for Colorado, AJ Greer. Rookie for Chicago, Nick Schmaltz. Canvas for Dallas, Patrick Sharp. Next pack, we have another young gun, Toronto Maple Leafs, Brandon Lepsic. Portraits for Arizona, Dylan Strome. OPG update for Edmonton, Milan Lucic. Next, we've got our jersey. It's a rookie material, Toronto Maple Leafs, Kasperi Kapanen. So that was half 1 of box 1. Second half. There we go. We've got a young... Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Young gun for the Winnipeg Jets. I don't remember who was the Winnipeg Jets, but Patrick Laine.
You want me to see what Winnipeg Jets
Yeah, please. So Patrick Laney, young gun for the Winnipeg Jets. I'm gonna put it aside right away. Nice hit. Next, we've got a canvas for Washington, TJ Oshie.
Mike Benzer.
So congrats to Mike Benzer on that Patrick Laney young gun. Next, you got a retro rookie New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. So by the way, guys, I'm going to repeat myself. I said it all night long. We're going to have a new camera Tuesday. So we'll be done with this one.
4K HD, Doc.
It will. Portraits for the Flyers, Travis Konechny. Next, a young gun for the New Jersey Devils, Scott Wedgwood. So yeah, he's a good Patrick Laney friend. What do we have next? A rookie for Pittsburgh, Tom Kanako. Those back or pain. Rookie from Minnesota, Joel Eriksson. Next, we've got a young gun canvas. Can you just check for me who has Calgary? Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Nice hit for Calgary. Honestly, that box is really good. So congrats, Mr. Jean-François Leclerc. Next, young gun for the Florida Panthers, Cal Rowe. Portraits for Toronto, Connor Brown. Last 2 packs of this box. And then we're going to get our Matthews young gun. Marquee rookie foil, New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. And the last pack of this box. We've got a... Oh, damn. Last pack, and it's a base pack. Alright, so. Nice first Series 2 box. Next. Get those out. Series 2, here we go. That's what we're going to get. A better box. Matthews young gun and the Laney canvas. Would be fantastic. Alright, here we go. Last box. Alright, we start with a canvas for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. And we've got a young gun for Pittsburgh, Tom Kanako. Barkov at 3 points tonight in Florida Panthers overtime win over the Golden Knights. Shining Stars for LA, Anze Kopitar. Next, we've got a jersey. Jersey for the Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. So good break for Winnipeg. Next pack is a base pack. Alright, next pack, we've got a young gun. I saw it. Young gun for the Vancouver Canucks, Nikita Chankins. Francois. I might need a one touch. Next, we've got another base pack.
Do you think Champkin matches?
I don't know. I'm feeling a big hit. Another base pack. Portraits for the St. Louis Blues, Alex Pietrangelo. And we've got a canvas for Minnesota, Charlie Coyle. Those packs. Young gun, what do we have? No. Young gun for Columbus, Oliver Bjorkstrand. I think I was wrong. Bjorkstrand for Columbus. It's been a while I didn't do those series ones, so I don't remember the patterns. Shine Stars for Dallas, Jamie Benn. Next pack, we've got a portrait for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Morgan Rielly. Next pack, we've got a base pack. So that was half one of box 2. Come on, second half. We got a young gun. For the Arizona Coyotes, Jacob Chychrun. So no, don't think it's the Matthews one. Base pack. Unbelievable. Next, we've got a Shining Stars Blue for the Washington Capitals, Nick Backstrom. And we've got a canvas for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Jumbo, Joe. Base pack. Young gun for Nashville, Pontus Aberg. So no, definitely not the Matthews box. It's been a while to get one. Shining Stars for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaff. Base pack. Next, we've got a portrait San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. And our last young gun for Arizona, Lawson Krause. Ugh. Canvas for Carolina, Noah Hanifin. Oh, we can still get a nice young gun canvas. Portraits for the Panthers, Alexander Barkov. And our last pack, what do we have? Young gun canvas for the Boston Bruins, Denton Heinen. Well, it's having a good season, so it's not bad. Young gun canvas of Denton Heinen. So that is it for the break. Now we are going to do the giveaways for Tavo Teravainen Young gun canvas and the Evgeny Shvetnikov Young gun canvas. So I'll go back to my computer screen. Did I do that? This way. Yep. What's up, Lane? Alright, so you can just check for me. I just want to make sure since the first one. I really just watch what you're seeing. You should see my screen. Do you see it? What do you see? Okay, perfect. So for that mini, I've got again Patrick on top, Patrick last. So name on top will get the Teravainen Young gun canvas, and the last one would get Shvetnikov Young gun canvas. That's our list. So good luck, everybody. First, second, and third. So that was a clear win by Mr. Patrick Lajeunesse. Spot number 10. He's won both cards. Congrats to Pat. Both cards will go to him. Copying it on Facebook. There it is. So that was the 25-48 break. By the way, guys, there's still 6 teams left in that part 1 of the SP Game News half inner case and the half case of SPA 11-12. And with that break, we're giving away a nice Teemu Selanne puck out of 25 with a little picture. That's a pretty nice display. So if you want to win that, you got to take some teams in our break. So guys, thanks. We'll be back on Sunday.